Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. My name is Ketan. Today I'm going to cover TISS summer placements for 2019. Now trust me, this video can literally make you motivated and it can also surprise you because the way there has been a perception in the market as far as the HR packages are concerned, I think this is something this video can literally break this stereotype because this time the summer placements in TISS are been phenomenal, and again it's kind of record breaking the way I have produced videos about SIBM in the same manner. TISS 2019 summer placements have been one of the top. I mean, till today, this has been the highest package given on the campus by a couple of companies. So it's going to be very interesting. So we're going to look at the highest packages. We're going to talk about the recruiters in the industry, the profiles, overall picture at TISS. Let's move ahead. Now, this is going to be the important slide for all of you. So if you look at, we'll go step by step out here. Now, let's talk about the regular recruiters, which are on the campus. Regular means these are the guys or these are the recruiters, companies will be visiting the campus on a yearly basis. Literally, like they maintain their relationship with the college. Now, if you look at, there are biggies in here. So you've got ABG group here, Aditya Birla group. You've got City, you've got Colgate, you've got Asian Paints. You've got Palmolive. You've got HUL, ITC. These are the biggies in FMCG, guys. Mahindra and Mahindra, again, Marico, Nestle from again, FMCG. You've got TAS, which is Tata Administrative Services. So TAS is one of the kind of a company that everybody would love to join in. It's not only on TISS, but even if you talk about the top-notch colleges like ABCs and FMS and Excel and all that. The good thing is that all the companies which are coming on top 6 IMs or the top-notch non-IMs like SP Gens and JBs, FMS, XLR, IFT, all these recruiters are turning up on TISS campus. That's a great deal, right? Now let's move ahead. Let's understand the new recruiters on the campus. New recruiters means the first timer who visited the campus. So you've got in Cloudtel, brilliant. You've got Dell EMC, Infosys Consulting. Again, consulting, which is great kind of I think it's a great opportunity for people who want to get into consultancy. So yes, if you are somebody who had kind of a pre-notion that if I get into TISS and if I do, let's say their flagship program of HR, I might not get into consulting, then I think this is wrong. You can very well get in there also. JSW, Swiggy, Vodafone, all these are the companies. Even looking Barclays and Accenture, all these guys are going to offer you the consulting role. Now, again, when we talk about HR is just not all about giving you salaries and getting the recruitment done or exit interviews and all that. There is a lot that is happening in the HR nowadays. It has become completely dynamic. I will be making another video wherein we will be talking about HR roles in there. So yeah, I will not be talking about the roles a lot here. We will have a separate video for that. Now let's understand the companies came back on the campus. Hiatus is basically, it's a term when we say that after a long break, the companies came on the campus, which has Flipkart, which got Aeon, which got RPG Group, Texas Instrument. So just this is kind of an FYI. Now, Aditya Birla Group and ITC, these two companies made the highest, these were the biggest recruiters because they offered 5 offers each, like both of them, they picked up like 5 offers. The maximum number of candidates actually will be interning in FMCG companies is 30%. So I think if you look at FMCG is dominating. I mean, again, you can say that, for the fact it's a service-based, industry, you would need a lot of, HRs to be there. But again, FMCG is dominating out here. I would be expecting, HR consultant kind of, having a major role to play here. But FMCG is there. Followed by the conglomerates, which is 16%, and then consulting 11%. So that's the overall portfolio of the recruiters on TISS campus. So again, what we've been knowing about TISS or what we've been having a pre-notion, it's completely breaking it. It is fantastic. Now, figures are amazing. The median monthly stipend is rupees 1 lakh. I'm talking about median. This is more than the average, I would say, or this is the figure that every MBA aspirant should look at. 1 lakh average stipend. It's a fabulous thing. 11.11% rise from the last year, which is 90,000. The average stipend is rupees 1,02,000 per month. Okay, increased by 15.9% YOY. That's year on year. Now again, I will be definitely been kind of keen to know this number, which is the median number. Fabulous. Like 1 lakh rupees is the stipend paid per month for an HR candidate is an amazing thing, right? Now, understand this. This is something which is going to be very important. HUL, ITC, and Reckitt, all these are the FMCG companies. They paid highest stipend of 3 lakhs for 2 months. Means the highest package or the highest summer intensive stipend offered on TISS campus is 1.5 lakh. I mean, this is literally happening for HR. Now, if you look at for the HR, the packages are moving the ladder up. So this is the learning for all of you. Yes, we understand that the roles are not that many in the market, but definitely if you are from a tier 1 college, or if you are from a the Ivy League, then definitely you can fall into all these categories. So have a look at these placements. They are damn motivating. This is the real scenario of TISS, wherein you can be given diverse profile. Now, all these profiles are not necessarily be in the recruitment. They might be in the recruitment. They will be predominantly, I believe, they will be in the areas of let's say HR strategy. They will be in the areas of business HR, corporate HR. They will be in the areas of let's say comp and ben. So all these roles, which are the the top notch role, or let's say the middle management role offered by all these biggies. So that's where these guys are getting placed. So that's it from my side. I will be uploading a couple of more videos on TISS front. We will be talking about HR as a specialization, HR roles, how to crack TISS, what's going to be the strategy for TISS. So yes, if you're somebody who's looking at HR and aiming at TISS, and even for the other exam, should subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to it for further updates. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video.